Hey, if you want to switch your account to the professional, first of all, you have to click on the right bottom corner on your profile picture and then tap on the three lines in the right upper corner. Now from here, you will have to go into the settings and the privacy, and you will have to scroll down all the way down. And now from here, go into the account type and the tools. Select switch to professional account. Now right here, you can actually find the small description of this function. Then you will have to click continue a few times, and now select what best describes you. So let's say artist. You can actually display this information on your profile, and then you will have to click done. And as you can see, now we've got the information that it will take around 30 seconds to finish creating the professional account. And after this time, your account will turn into the professional one. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.